The Frank display case is probably the only truly demountable display case in the world. Without gluing and screwing, it remains a system patented by Frank. Here we show you how easy it is to assemble the Frank display case. All components are delivered in a practical reusable flight case. Well sorted, after opening the box you can see the glass panels, floor and ceiling frames and all other components. First, the floor frame is removed and positioned. It is important to have a straight position. To do this, the frame must be adjusted to the floor and if necessary leveled at the leveling feet using a screwdriver. After that, the first panel is positioned in the designated joint of the floor panel at the back. Immediately the second side panel is also placed and allows the connection with the Frank aluminum profile. The profile fits exactly into the pre-milled groove of the panel and thus creates a form-fit connection. The third panel on the other side is inserted using the same procedure. The Frank aluminum profile is easy to slide and although it appears very delicate, it creates a highly stable connection that can be released at any time. Now the bottom panel with the drawer for passive climate control is inserted into the bottom frame. The panes are mechanically connected to the bottom frame with screws and then the aluminum sandwich inlay panel is inserted. Now the front panel or Frank system door is placed in the groove of the floor frame in the same way and is connected with both side panel on left and right. The top frame is prefabricated. Its all-round joint fits exactly on top of the four panels. It is also connected to the panes. The inlay panel of the top frame is then inserted. The passive climate control is located at the bottom with a sliding drawer to allow storing the desiccants, usually Pro-Sorb or equivalent. This compartment can easily be accessed by removing the magnetic front panel. All drawers are protected with a lock against unauthorized access to this technical compartment of the Frank case. The drawer can be accessed from the outside as it always should be. It is therefore not necessary to open the display case. Just one click and the front cover is fixed again, invisible for the visitor. The front panel serves as a door. It can be opened easily by sliding away the aluminum Frank profiles. After positioning the exhibit inside the case, it can be closed in the same way using the profiles by sliding them back in. As a final step, the case can securely be closed with the special designed 4 Frank block locks. These corner elements are inserted into the corners of the top frame with safety screws to close the showcase completely. This also prevents to remove the inlay panel in the top frame. Now the Frank case is securely closed. To demount the Frank case, the disassembly is simply done in the reverse direction.